Today we read Jeremiah 26 through 29. We finally arrived to one of the most well-known verses in Scripture. Can you believe that verse we see quoted so much came from the book of Jeremiah? Jeremiah 29:11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you a hope and a future." This really piggybacks on what I said yesterday. So would you join me in responding in worship with the song, "The Plans" from We the Kingdom?
When I am anxious, when I am afraid, I take it to God. I call on His name. If the mover of mountains is listening to me, why should I worry? Why should I fear anything? For I know the plans He has for me. Yes, I know the plans He has for me, for my good, to give me a hope and a future. When I am waiting for His promise to come, sometimes He is silent, but I'm never alone. He walks in the valley, He quiets the storm. He stands in the fire, so why should I fear anymore? For I know the plans He has for me. Yes, I know the plans He has for me, for my good, to give me a hope and a future. For I know the plans He has for me. Yes, I know He's working everything for my good, give me a hope and a future. All my life, all I've seen, Your endless love surrounding me. Every breath I will be found by You. If I set sail or spread my wings and find myself on the farthest sea, You're waiting there, I will be found by You. Oh, I will be found by You. For I know the plans He has for me. I know the plans He has for me, for my good, to give me a hope and a future. For I know the plans He has for me. Yes, I know He's working everything for my good, to give me a hope and a future.
We know He's in control of it all. He has an ultimately good plan for this world, and we are part of it. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I am Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.